Good afternoon, welcome back to the daily vlog. So today we are in a adjoining town doing something other than carpet or vinyl today. Yay! So we're actually doing some hardwood. I've been to this property twice doing the same kind of hardwood. The lady sold her house and recommended us to the new owner of the home. So she had us come back and do some more. I'm sure it's going to be the same floor that we've done here twice previously. So let's take a look at it and see what's going on. So this is the room that's going to get it. It is the master bedroom. I want to point out something here that we always do. You can see where there was a big dresser right here. You can see the imprint. So what I'll do is I'll take and cut out a piece of carpet the same length as the dresser or a little bigger and place all the furniture on the pieces of carpet upside down in there on the floor, okay? This is what we've done previously, and that way. First time we just went to here and we put that stop point in. Second time we came back and done the actual living room there. So here, you can see we had another dresser. I cut a scrap out right there, flip it upside down, put it on the hardwood. Same thing here. Anywhere there's a piece of furniture, we'll take and cut the carpet out right in front of it so we don't have to do no measure or anything like that. Take that piece of carpet and use upside down to put the furniture on. So we're not doing the closet here. I'm just going to run my wood in far enough to where you can't see it there. But this is what we got going on here today. Taking out the carpet and putting down some hardwood. Alrighty, we have got all the carpet, texture, everything up, and all the holes filled. We're waiting on, we had a crack right there all the way across the room, so we're filling that and waiting on this to dry, and we're going to be ready to start some wood. Last time I was here, I worked this up to the carpet that was in this room. Actually, it was 2 times ago because that was the first wood that I installed right there. But I got a ripped board right there. I'll actually take that board up and just join right on to my existing floor in there that's in the other room and just start working right this way. So it will be a seamless transition. It'll actually look like it was all laid at one time. Alrighty, fixing to put our wall stop down there. We got everything scribed out, should fit in there nicely. I've got my cool glide tape right here, utility tape there, and then another one down on the very end. So I got that setting one of those on each end joint and one in the center of each one of those long boards. Then the end joint and the very end, of course. And then again, right here at the end of the longboard. So once I get this down here, I can take all I need is like 2 rows down, and then I can take my cool glide, zap those, zap them on down through there. This is gonna be completely solid. I don't have to worry about it moving around or anything while I'm pushing the rest of my wood together. So that is super handy for glue down wood. And you don't have to do the whole row on the back wall there. Just touch it in spots and glue around the spots. It's the best way that I've figured out how to do that.
Alrighty, and this is going to conclude the daily vlog today. It is 4:38 and we are just crawling on the interstate. There must be a wreck or something going on up here. But anyway, didn't get as much accomplished today as I was hoping. We got a late start. I don't think it was right at 10 o'clock whenever we got down there, because we had about 40 minutes of drive time. Plus I was running late this morning myself. So what you seen a while ago was all we got done. We will have to get back tomorrow morning halfway early and get it knocked out. It's going to be a pretty floor. I really like the wood flooring there in that house. It's always nice when customers call you back and even so refer you like that lady did. So that's super nice. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching these vlogs. I appreciate it. Until tomorrow, FBSB's out.